Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this videos I'm coming here, okay, with these kids, okay, who are looking for cows and goats, okay. They are looking for grass for them. So here we have reached to this place that there is a green grass. Okay, now it's not so green because now it's a month of November, right? So that's why uh anyway, even me also, when I was 9 years, 10 years and 11 years old, I worked this job, okay. I worked this job. So I remember those times when I worked these jobs. It's very difficult, I remember, because there is no freedoms. That is the first thing. No freedoms. And yeah, because from the months of February till the months of November, we have to go, for looking grass. I mean, we have to taking out the goats and cows, and then we have to look over them every day continuously. There is no holiday, not even a single day also. So that's why. And I remember those times I studied class 2, class 1 and class 4. Yeah, no, class 2, class 3, class 4. Yeah. So this time I remember I went in morning sections, okay. I studied in morning section. So when I reached class 5, there is no more school for morning section. There is only for day section. That's why when I reached class 5, I shift it to I have to study in that time, right? So I cannot continue these jobs anymore. So now when I come here along with some kids, okay, who are looking for this, who are taking for this goat and cow, it gives me a great nostalgia. It gives me a great nostalgia because I remember those times, how I feel. It recalls back all my memories. Those times how I feel. Actually, those times I feel very tired, but then now when I remember, I feel like those moments, it was fun moment, okay. It was very enjoy because we have reached to a place that we are looking for grass at the river down there, okay. The wind also is blowing very high here because it is a mountain, right? So it's very good because today is very hot, right? So when the wind blows, then we feel nice, okay. You can see here. Rope, okay. But then that horse is not tied by rope, so I don't know what happened. Really? Wow, very nice, right? Okay, these are the horses, okay. We are tired because the sun today is very hot, right? That's why. So now we are sitting here behind the shadow of pine trees, and yeah, today is very hot. That's why now see my sister and that one of the boys that coming together with us. Even him also, he sit here, and then I think you can see those cows and goats behind us. Guys, so as you see those paddy field, those places down there, right? So those are the places that when I was a kid I used to taking out the goat and cow, and then yeah, looking for grass around those places. So when I reach here and then when I look those places, I remember when I was a kid. when I was 9, 10, 11 years old. During those times, I spend most of the time only in those parts, only in those places, only these places that you see. That is my village. So from there, in this valley, and then till this village. So this is the place that I spend most of the time. We came and looking for grass for cows and goats. So these are the places. And yeah, actually when I was a kid, okay, this place that I am standing right now, it is forest, okay, a huge forest. And then those, as you see, those mountains there also, they are forest, okay. Even this place is also they are forest. But then people they have cutting their trees, right? So now there's no more forest. Only that side. I think you see few forests here around here. No, 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 no. Wow, Baba Black Sheep. Hey, Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any word? Baba Black Sheep. See this goat. Wow, she's eating something. Wow, she's very nice, right? Meh, meh. Hey, Baba Black Sheep. Okay, now go to white. Meh. Hey, brown sheep, brown goat. Oh, you don't. Oh, okay. She's not. She don't want to eat. Hmm? Mm. She don't want it. Okay, mẹ, 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 mẹ. Hey, Baba Black Sheep Con. Hey, small baby. Mẹ. Udi, udi, udi. Oh, nhâm, 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 nhâm. Okay, grow faster. Okay, grow fast. Grow fast. We need you to grow fast. Okay, see this small tree goats. Okay, cow see. Wow. Okay, nice to spend time with animals sometimes. Nature, spend time with animals, with nature. So live a simple life. Nói đi, hi bro, nói đi. Hey, hi bro. Hi bro. Hey. She is a girl, but then I don't know why he call her hi bro. Her name is hi bro. Okay, see this guy. See, nice sound. Okay, this guy. See, he's still. I don't know for what purpose he carry these woods.
Tinaya pun kakak. Sekelan. Nie no i bruciang masoy pun kakse. Jelat tu nem step pun kakse kita lihat udah miat. Biang. Banjir dah.
Today's playground. Actually, when I was a kid, we used to play football here. But then nowadays, I think only sometimes, hardly we come and play football here because there is already we have playground in our village, right? So this place is far from our village. I think 30-40 minutes we have to walk to reach here, and that's why. And mostly when we mostly we came here when the time is around 3 or 4 o'clock, like that. We come and sit here. We check all the cows or the goats whether they are all of them they are here or not. If not, then we have to search. Okay, and then how to search also, we just follow the footstep where they go, only that. That is the way, that is the method how to search the lost cows or the lost goats. Okay guys, have a look with this beautiful paddy. Now is the month of November, right? So it's almost the time of harvest. That's why it looks so not green. It looks like gold, right? Gold, yellow. Sampai tua, sampai tua. Yoi, hoi ho, yoi. Nhắc lại cho mà soi thì đang cho đèn. Ông cho đèn. Ông cho đèn mày. Cho đèn mày. Ngọt, lấy con đuôi. Lấy con đuôi. Cho đèn. Về à này. Nim. Ôi. Baby cow. Baby. Baby, baby, baby. Oh. She runs away. Oh. She don't like me, I think. Oh.